right now we are in the men's department. We're about to leave, and I just wanted to see if we can find anything. And we actually did. This is why we tell you guys to scan, 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 because Walmart always has these fake signs. Fake signs is what it is. So people walk past here and they don't scan, but I do. So look at this. Look at that. So we found this sweater right here, and it's a nice men's sweater. It's actually a hoodie. It's cold right now, so it's perfect for right now. Is that a football team? Baseball?
It's a college football.
Oh, college football. Okay, so there you guys go. And you guys see the signage. It says 19. It says Russell here. So here's the tags. And this one's actually missing the tag. So I'm going to grab the one behind here. Let me see. Is there? All right, look at that. Wow, this was $29.88.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Those are expensive for college football. All right, can you scan this one?
College stuff is expensive.
Yeah, so regular price, this is about 30 bucks. So 19 is even good. All right, you ready? Is that the Walmart tag or?
That's the school, so I don't know if that's a football or basketball, whatever they got.
All right, so Manny just scanned this. There's the UPC. All right, again, you guys see the $29.88 price. And look at this. Boom. $7.50. Only on Angel on the Go. Only here will you get all of the clearance deals first. Right?
Always.
I love your haircut. Look at this, you guys. Look at all of these. I'm going to go really slow. These are all Reeboks. And all of these are a little more than 50% off. So if you guys need any of this, and again, the name brand is Reebok, this is the perfect time. So it looks like this is a seamless bra. And let me go ahead and give you a couple of UPCs. There's one. And I'm going to put them down here for now. This right here, this is looks like a crew long sleeve shirt. See Manny over here scanning in the women's department. He never comes in this department. So again, this is a shirt. Here's the UPC. These are all $5, $5. Here's some hipsters. Super cute. There's the UPC. These are cute. Look at that. Boy shorts. Reebok boy shorts. It looks like you get 4 of them. And look at that. $5. $5. There's UPC. And I think that's it. So I think they have like a bunch of different colors. This one's the all black for the boy shorts. Oops. Okay. Look like this one for the boy shorts. They have like the gray and the black, so you can kind of mix them. Again, they're only $5. It's a good price. All right. This one right here, you got the different colors. Look like this one is the gray and the pink. So next time you guys are in Walmart in the women's department, go ahead and check these out because they're more than 50% off, which is a great price. Look at that pink. That's what it looks like. I might have to get some of these. These are cute. All right, there's UPC. And look how many they have. So I'll probably grab a few. And the way we work is we're just going to go ahead and wait for them to go down even more. So I'll grab like maybe 2 today. And maybe next week it will go down to $2.50 or even $2. But if you guys need them now, they're only $5. You guys better run. All right, you guys. While we were walking away from the women's department, headed over to the men's department, look what we found. These are the men's Reebok. What is this? Boxer briefs. Look at that. And this comes with a pack of 4. All right, so again, it looks like all of these are Reebok Performance Boxer briefs. I don't know. Performance training. What is that? You go to the gym?
Yeah. Any kind of sports thing.
All right, so there's the UPC. There's one of them. And that's for this one. The all black with the gray. Again, these are $7 a piece. Regular price about $15. You got the blues. Dark blue. I think these are all blue. All right. And again, it comes with a pack of 4. Oh, look at that one. Can you hold that? Yeah, these are nice. Look at that. Ooh, I would love to see Manny in these. I might be a little bit too X-rated. There's a UPC. All right, I'm gonna show you. I like these. I like these colors right here. Look at that. So you got the baby blue, the green, you got the red. Again, this is a 4-pack. And let me turn it around. So all of these again are only $7 on clearance in the men's department.
All right, guys, take a look. Following in the Reebok boxer briefs, they also have the socks. So it looks like Reeboks is on sale, and everything is going 50% off. So take a look. This is the Reebok 6-pack men's low cut performance training. Show you the SKU number, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ones, and then we'll show you the price here. So these are all white with the gray Reebok on the top here on the ankle. Is that like a hand model thing?
All right, there's UPC.
UPC.
All right.
And then we have some black ones, and these are all 6-packs, and they're all low cut. Oh my God! Please no. Give that up. Let me show you the UPC. And again, let me scan it here. Shows clearance. Oh, it shows the price right there. There you go.
Yeah, here you go. One more.
Okay, these are the all black with Reebok on the brim again. And a 6-pack, and these are quarter cuts. UPC. So if you guys are looking for socks, this is a good time to buy it. It's 50% off the regular price. And let me scan it here. It's the app, it's not me.
Oh, they got an angry kid over there. Somebody mad?
All right, so take a look. $5, you guys, for a 6-pack of Reebok ankle socks. You are not gonna find that anywhere, really, at this point. So if you need socks, if you're looking for socks, the next time you go to Walmart, make sure you look at the Reebok men's socks.
Ooh, only on Angel on the Go. $5, $5, $5.